Real quick note here. I think this modified gasket's working a lot better than the other one. So we're heading about due south out of Lawrence. I'm going to take a little bit different route to get down here. And avoid the toll road. I don't have a K-tag on this. So I don't want to sit there at the tolls. I just want to be jamming. And what are we doing? We're doing a touch under 65. Oil pressure's still up. Attack about 32 to 3400 RPM. No problem with the temperature. About 12 minutes into the drive. And my first impression on the new Jets is that the car's a bit wheezy. You can feel it when you accelerate. It definitely doesn't have the power that it used to have, but as I'm driving along the highway now, it's louder, and I think that's a function of the fact that I have to open the throttles more. I've got more intake noise. Alright. Third. What stage are we on right now? This is stage 2. Just merged onto Interstate 35. This is the road that heads down to Wichita and Oklahoma City. Yeah, I was sitting here, I got some shorts on today. See the legs? And because I think when I go fishing I might actually have to jump into the lake to get a few places, so I didn't want my pants getting wet. But my legs were getting kind of cold. I forgot that I actually hooked up the heat. I can crank up the heat, man. So I just turned on the heat and I'm like, oh yeah, that feels real nice. Alright, so phase 1 of the journey is about to end. We're coming into Emporia. This is where I have to get off the interstate and take a rural highway off to the west for about 25 minutes or so. I'm an hour and 15 in. Let's see here. It's about, yeah, I haven't seen a town in about 50 minutes. So that's Kansas for you. It's like drive for an hour and you get a town. Drive another hour, there's a town. But you got to make sure your car's not going to break down because there's nothing here. It's got to work or you're stuck. Once again, we're out here in one of these river valleys. This happens to be the floodplain of the Cottonwood River, which is off to our left. Why not very much. It's flat and straight. There's some bends coming up, but yeah, it's flat and straight. And here we are, the outskirts of Cottonwood Falls. We got a subway. I always take my kids to that subway when we come down here. It's like, it's part of the process. They always cry, well, we don't want to go down there. And I'll say, I'll take you to the subway. And they jump in the car. Alright, we just headed north onto Highway 177. This goes all the way up to K-State. Down here it's known as the Flint Hills Scenic Byway. Because we're now in the Flint Hills. These are actually hills. And coming up here on the left is the Tallgrass Prairie National Preserve, the ranch house, the barn, the welcome center. Alright, breather system check. Oh man, it's dry. It's freaking totally dry. That's completely got us fixed. There's nothing popping out there. That's just left over from last time. A little dirt and grit. That's from, didn't get it all cleaned up. Let's see if the phenolic spacers have worked. Real quick here, let's check the body of the carbs. Are you shitting me? Man, I'm telling you, it's got to be like a 40-degree drop. I shouldn't be able to grab that like that. Let's see what the other one feels like. Yeah, no problem. And there's a bit of warmth, but wow, boy, that is nowhere near as hot as it used to be. It's still not idling, but at least now we can get rid of one of the possible reasons for not idling, which is heating the carb. See, do I have any leaks anywhere? Nothing seems to be coming loose there. That's good. This guy's doing well. How about this one? This guy almost always leaks back here. Yeah, there's always a little bit of oil coming out on that one. Yeah. Terrific. All the way down here. Ugh, beautiful. Absolutely friggin' beautiful anyway. Here we are. Out in Kansas. Looks like they've been doing some work. Building up the fences. Here we are, destination number 2, the Chase County State Fishing Lake. Alright, my first ever Chase County bass. I've caught some sunfish out here, and my biggest ever catfish. It's about 27 inches long, 8 to 10 pounds, but this is my first ever bass. Time to go. We'll be back here for 5-6 months. Come down here with the kids next time. Okay, just picked up some supplies for the road, a little something to drink and candy bar. Alright, we just jumped back onto I-35, so I'll start doing about 65 miles an hour again. Alright, time to get off I-35 and head north to Lawrence. Last little chunk of highway here, and then we're back to the house. I gotta go check in on the kids before filling up. Alright, there's something funny going on under here. It's squeaking. I'm pretty sure that's the sway bar. Gotta figure out why. Alright, back home, and that's good. Ooh, pretty warm back there. Nothing coming out there. Nothing over there. Looks like the breather's not oozing or leaking. That's good. Excellent. Excellent. Good, good, good. If I could just figure out what's going on with the idle. Just check the carbs and make sure they didn't get hot. Oh, it's fine. There's some heat in there, but not a lot, so that's good. Good. All we gotta do is fill it up with gas and see what we did, mileage-wise. Alright, I can't do the math in my head, but what is that? That's about 232 miles. It's over 30. Alright, I have enough to complete the project now. Kind of an inventorying of what went on. I did the math on the mileage. It's still 30 miles per gallon, touch over 30. It drives better with the other jets, so I'm going to go back to the other jets. The phenolic spacers worked fine. Yeah, I think personally, I think they actually work a little bit too well, but it's kind of the way it goes. But I'm introduced now to 2 new problems. One, it's just flat out not idling, so I get the feeling I've got some dirt stuck in something somewhere, but I need to take it apart anyway in order to get those gas jets out. And I'm going to do some stuff to get this the clanking take care of. This breather system works fantastic. You know, it was like 3.5 hours of driving, some of it with the heat on, not all of it, but some of it I definitely had the heat on. Worked great, didn't choke, no eye sting.